friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making muffin mix pancakes. This is so easy to make with muffin mix. It's perfect for pancakes, it's not just for muffins. So here we have a package of muffin mix. It's a 7-ounce package, and eggs and milk. That's all we need. And also I'm using a pancake griddle for cooking it. You can also use a regular frying pan. This is just easier, but you know, it works the same way. So if you're using a griddle, just preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and add cooking oil. So the bottom is coated. So whether it's a frying pan or a griddle, if it's non-stick, you just need a little bit to coat the bottom. And now I'll mix the ingredients. So we're using 1 egg. So let's whisk the egg. And 2/3 cup of milk. And 1 package, which is 7 ounces of muffin mix. And you can use any flavor muffin mix. This one is blueberry. You can use any flavor you like. And now just mix until combined. Perfect. And now you can just cook the pancakes. So this is a preheated griddle, or you can preheat your frying pan at medium-high heat and just put the batter on a pan or griddle. And now let's cook for a few minutes on this side, and we'll flip them and cook on the other side. So now after 2 minutes, pancakes are ready to flip, and you know that they're ready to flip when you see the bubbles on the top forming. So see those bubbles, and now let's carefully flip them. And now let's cook for a minute or 2 on this side until they're completely cooked. So now after 2 minutes on this side, they're ready. So just see if the bottom is ready. So they're totally cooked. And I'm going to remove them from the frying pan. So both sides are equally browned. Perfect. Now I'm going to repeat it with another batch to use the remaining batter. So now I'm done making the second batch and used up all the batter. So there was 5 more pancakes in the second batch, and now they're all ready. Look how good they look. Muffin mix makes amazing pancakes, and it's so easy. And now let's try these pancakes. I'm so excited about trying it. So I'm just gonna take a piece of pancake. Mmm. It tastes amazing. And this one is so full of blueberry flavor because it was a blueberry muffin mix. So good. They're so flavorful. You will love these muffin mix pancakes. For a repeatable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!